Howdy guys, welcome back to the channel. This time we've prepared another comparison video for you between two of the best prop trading firms in the industry. These firms are True Forex Funds and Finotive Funding. Now we're going to compare them on some different topics, including general company details, their funding programs, trading platforms, and community feedback. As always with our videos, be sure to stick until the end. We've prepared discount codes for both of these prop trading firms, so that's a nice little bonus for you. With that being said though, let's dive into the comparison and check these guys out. So we'll start with some general company details. So True Forex Funds, they were incorporated in October 2021, while Finotive Funding started operating in April 2021. The incorporation difference is almost half a year in favor of Finotive Funding. Regarding CEOs, True Forex Funds is being run by Richard Nagy with his team. Apologies, Richard, if I mispronounce your last name. While Finotive Funding CEO is Oliver Newland. Now, both prop trading firms are run by very successful individuals in their own right who are doing an excellent job for their representative prop firms. When looking at office locations, both prop trading firms are located in Europe. True Forex Funds has offices in Hungary, while Finotive Funding is also in Hungary in Budapest. Now, to end the topic of general company details, we're going to state some very important maximum allocation of capital details. So True Forex Funds allows traders to work with capital up to $400,000, while Finotive Funding caps the maximum allocation capital at $3.2 million. Bit of a difference there. Looking at the funding programs, now there are different structures, so you can find funding programs such as one-step evaluation, two-step evaluation, direct funding, and in some cases even assessment management. Now, True Forex Funds offers traders a chance to choose from different account sizes of industry average two-step evaluation programs. Finotive Funding, on the other hand, they offer traders a two-step evaluation program and instant funding program. So you can see a little difference in those aspects there. Looking at trading objectives, there are a lot of different aspects that we can go through. However, we've tried to narrow them down to the most important rules and guidelines when choosing a prop trading firm. Just note that since both prop trading firms only share a two-step evaluation program, that's the one we're going to be comparing. There's not much use in comparing the ones that don't really overlap. So starting with profit targets, both prop trading firms have relatively low profit targets compared to the industry's average. True Forex Funds has a profit target of 8% in phase 1 and 4% in phase 2, while Finotive Funding has a profit target of 7.5% in phase 1 and a profit target of 5% in phase 2. Now, both prop firms also have a maximum daily and maximum loss rule. You are allowed to lose 5% on a daily basis with prop firms, while My Forex Funds has a 12% maximum loss rule compared to Finotive Funding's 10% maximum loss rule. True Forex Funds has no minimum trading day requirements, while Finotive Funding has a minimum trading day rule of 5 calendar days for each of the two phases. An identical ruling is the maximum trading days requirement. Both prop firms have 30 calendar days for phase 1 and 60 calendar days for phase 2. And just to end the trading objectives comparison side of things, we'll just go through the profit split each prop firm provides the profitable traders with. True Forex Funds, they allow traders to earn a profit split of 80% based on all of their profits. And on the other hand, Finotive Funding offers a starting profit split of 75%, which has the potential to increase up to 95%. Now, the 95% profit split is achievable if you scale your Finotive Funding funded account. So go onto their website and check that out for a bit more details, but you can certainly scale to a very high profit split with Finotive Funding. All right, having a look at the different prices and comparing these two-step evaluation program prices, we can see from the start that True Forex Funds and Finotive Funding have very similar prices, really. Both prop trading firms share the following account sizes: the $10,000, $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, and $200,000 accounts. So let's go through the prices themselves for those 5 accounts. You can obviously see it here, but it's worth going over. So the 10K account of True Forex Funds costs 89 euros, while the standard Finotive Funding 10K account costs $100 USD. The 25K account True Forex Funds costs 189 euros, while the standard Finotive Funding 25K account costs $150. The 50K account that True Forex Funds offers costs 299 euros, while the standard Finotive Funding 50K account costs $300. The 100K account of True Forex Funds costs 499 euros, while the standard Finotive Funding 100K account costs $500. And to end it, the 200K True Forex Funds account costs 998 euros, while the standard Finotive Funding 200K account costs $950. Just note that Finotive Funding also offers us swap-free accounts, which have slightly higher prices than their standard evaluation accounts. You can see the difference in pricing in the spreadsheet, obviously here. In addition, you can also calculate these final prices with the discounts that can be applied to both prop trading firms. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video and you can get these ones a little bit cheaper. Having a look at trading platforms, True Forex funds, they allow their traders to choose between the following two trading platforms, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Finotive Funding, on the other hand, only allows traders to trade on MetaTrader 4. When it comes to brokers, they are very different in this aspect. True Forex funds uses a tier 1 liquidity provider with direct market access. However, Finotive Funding is partnered with Ascot Prime as their broker for now, since they're also developing their own brokerage. Trading instruments, let's have a look. True Forex funds and Finotive Funding allow you to trade a really wide range of instruments. They both allow traders to trade Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. However, as you can see here, True Forex funds also allows the trading of bonds and futures, so depends what floats your boat there. Now that we've gone through both proprietary trading firms, trading platforms, and instruments, let's cover the commissions that you're charged while trading with each prop firm. True Forex funds, they charge you $7 per round lot for Forex pairs and approximately $3.50 per round lot for commodities, while commissions, prices for indices, cryptocurrencies, bonds, and futures do vary. Finotive Funding, on the other hand, charges you no commissions during the two challenge steps. However, when you do become funded, they charge you $4 per round lot for Forex pairs and $4 per round lot for commodities. So worth keeping all those in mind as well, and take it as you see it in terms of commissions. Last thing we're going to take a look at, and another really essential aspect when choosing a prop trading firm, is the feedback from their community. It just gives you a lot of information about the positives and sometimes negatives of a prop firm. That's why we'll also compare both these guys' Trustpilot statistics. Obviously, this does change. So at the time of recording, True Forex Funds has a rating of 4.5 out of 5 from an excellent 218 reviews, while Finotive Funding, they have a rating of 4.2 out of 5 from 69 reviews. Despite the disparity in the number of reviews, both prop trading firms are very legitimate. Don't let that off-put you or be the final decision maker for you in which one you might go with. They are certainly some of the best in the industry. The bit of a difference is mainly because True Forex Funds is a bit more popular in the prop trading firm industry. And in addition, Finotive Funding just sort of recently became popular as they released a lot of different updates that made them a very attractive choice for Forex traders worldwide. So I would expect to see that number of reviews be going up. But as always, go and do your own due diligence and have a look and go through the comments. It's always very valuable to see different clients and customers and traders' comments about the respective firm. And just to summarize and wrap everything up with these guys, True Forex Funds, Finotive Funding, they are two industry-leading prop firms. They offer really excellent conditions to traders worldwide. The main differences would include the funding programs they offer, since True Forex Funds is only a two-step evaluation program, and Finotive Funding has two. They have the two-step evaluation and they also have instant funding programs. So it depends which one you'd rather go with. Another minor difference would be their trading objectives, where Finotive Funding has a smaller profit target in phase 1. True Forex Funds has no minimum trading day requirements. Trading platforms, True Forex Funds uses their own liquidity provider, while Finotive Funding is partnered with Ascot Prime. However, they are, as I mentioned, also working on their own brokerage. Just note though that with True Forex Funds, as we said before as well, you can trade on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, while Finotive Funding only offers MetaTrader 4. Both prop firms allow you to trade Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies, while True Forex Funds also allows you to trade bonds and futures. The commission for opening and closing positions is better for Finotive Funding traders, since they only charge you that $4 per round lot on Forex pairs and commodities. And it's only on the funded account, not during the evaluation period, which has no commissions on any trading instruments. And then commissions at True Forex Funds, as we went over, are $7 per round lot for Forex pairs and approximately $3.50 per round lot for commodities, while prices for indices, crypto, bonds, and futures do vary. And then the last but also very important factor we looked at is the community feedback each prop firm receives, which had some differences, but again, do your own research and check that out for yourself as well. But going through everything and summarizing both prop firms, we can safely say that they are two industry-leading proprietary trading firms that you can find, and you really can't go too wrong with them. Thanks very much for watching, guys. That's what I've got for you in this comparison video. Check out the discount codes we've got for you and subscribe to watch more. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one.